Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, remember I said I manage accounts for students, so this is one of my students who bought my video course and software, and I'm managing his account for him. So as you can see on the screen, it's running really good and it's doing fine. So remember I said I want to get the software today. Okay, let me explain again how the software works. The software works by gathering this from search engines and digital platforms and then promoting your link to the leads, and that's how you get your organic traffic from the software. So remember, if you want to get your software today and you complete video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or on my Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com or on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you.